Hi, thank you so much for joining me today. It's Tammy Holtz with eXp Realty, and we are in Livermore, California today, just across the Altamont Pass from Mountain House, California. I am excited to show you this awesome property we have on the market with eXp Realty. Welcome to 32 Meritage Commons, number 102 in Livermore, California. This beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo spans just over 1,200 square feet. You are going to love the elegant, smooth bamboo floors and custom build-ins throughout this home. This home has a modern kitchen and features new Bosch appliances, including a dishwasher and a gas stove and oven. There's even a downstairs laundry room with easy access to the garage, with plenty of storage closets throughout the home. You're going to want to check out the newly installed ceiling fans and designer light fixtures in the primary suite and living room, making this home both stylish and inviting. You are going to love them. You will want to take advantage of the community amenities, including a stunning pool with vineyard views and mountain views right across that way. The pool is just across the street from the unit. Nearby, you'll find highly acclaimed Los Positas College, which is ranked number 1 in California and number 6 in the U.S. Costco, Cayetano Park, and easy access to the 580 freeway, which make this location ideal for convenience and lifestyle. For your outdoor enthusiasts, the Clubhouse at Los Positas Golf Course and Maitland Henry Park are just a short distance away. Cyclists will appreciate the proximity to the Alamo Creek bike trail, while pet owners can enjoy Bray Commons Dog Park nearby. This property is only 10 minutes from downtown Livermore. This location offers a plethora of activities and amenities. Don't miss out on your chance to own this beautiful home. Contact me today for a private tour, and thank you so much for joining me today. Don't miss out on your chance to own this beautiful home. Contact me today for a private tour. Thank you so much for joining me. Tammy Holtz with eXp Realty.